In this video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet beautiful flower with seed beads. This flower can be the base to create earring, an embellishment, and other accessories for your project. Let's take a look at the back side of this flower. And it is front. For work you need a ball of yarn, 2 sizes of crochet hooks, seed beads, and 1 round bead. The seed beads are transparent, large, and not outright. Before the work with thread seed beads onto the working yarn. Begin the work by making a chain. Then pull up the working loop and change to the thinner hook. Take a round bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, change back the working hook, and make a chain with bead. Now make a chain to bring up the yarn, then chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn the work, insert the hook into the first chain stitch by making a slip stitch. Now repeat again chain of 6 for the chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now a slip stitch into the first chain stitch that we made on the beginning. Arches very closely adjoin to my bead. Begin round 1. Chain 2 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2. Draw seed beads. And I will be making beaded half double crochet. Now 8 beaded half double crochet into the chain space. Yarn over the hook with bead like this. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop and pull through all loops on the hook by making half double crochet. It was the first one, make the second. The third one, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh half double crochet, and make the last one into the same chain space. Continue, make 8 half double crochet with seed beads more into the second chain space. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. complete this round, skip 2 chain stitches on the beginning, insert the hook into the first half double crochet by making a slip stitch. Round 1 with seed beads is made. Let's look at the back side. We continue the work with round 2. It will be a round of arches. Chain to bring up the yarn and chain 3 for the chain space, and single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3 for the chain space, and single crochet into the next stitch, 3 chains, and single crochet through the next stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. It should be 16 of them. I chained the last one and complete the second round. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch by making a slip stitch. Round 2 is made. Let's begin the third round of the chain spaces. For this, make 2 slip stitches, make the first one into the next chain stitch and make the second one into the next chain stitch. Make chain to bring up the yarn and chain 3 for the chain space and single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain space, 3 chains and single crochet, chain 3 and make single crochet into the next chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about complete round 3. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch by making a slip stitch. We need to do one more round of arches. Begin the round 4 by making 2 slip stitches. Make the first one into the next chain stitch and the second one into the next chain stitch. Chain to bring up the yarn, chain 3 for the chain space and single crochet into the next chain space, 3 chains and single crochet, 3 chains and single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3 and make single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. And make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Round 3 is done. Let's take a look at the back side. Round 4 is a round of trims. Begin this round. Insert the hook into the chain stitch of the chain space and make a slip stitch, then make a chain, then single crochet into the same chain space, and I will be making 5 chain spaces. Make 5 chains for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's take a look at this single crochet that is made above this chain space. On the lower round below the chain space there is single crochet, and make front post single crochet around this single crochet. Turn the work, make a chain, draw seed beads, work into the chain space, make 4 beaded half double crochet. Draw a bead, yarn over the hook like this, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. It was the first one, we need to make 3 more. Make the second, the third one, and make the last one. Now 3 double crochet with seed beads. Draw a bead, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. 1 and 2. It was the first one, make the second one, and the third one. Turn the work and single crochet into the next chain space. The first trim petal is made. Let's make one more. 5 chains for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make front post single crochet around the next single crochet as we did at the previous time. Turn the work, make a chain, and work into this chain space. Make 4 beaded half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 3 double crochet with seed beads. 1, 2, and 3. Turn the work again, insert the hook into the next chain space and make single crochet into this chain space. The second trim petal is done. We have made such 2 beaded trims. By the end of this round they should be 16 trim petals. 2 beaded trims are done, you should make 14 by yourself. We complete this round together. Once we have done all trim petals, we skip this chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet and make a slip stitch. The flowers is ready and I cut off the yarn. And here how our ready flower looks. And let's look at the back side of this flower. This flower can be the base to create earring, an embellishment and other accessories, or in Irish, in Guipure laces. Hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to our newsletter and write to comment below the video on our website at sharoknitting.com. Thanks for watching.